Hello, geeks. I just wanted to give you all a fair warning. You got anything from Amazon Basics that plugs into the wall, you might want to be careful the next time you unplug it. And you probably don't want to have anything like this if you have little kids in your house. You probably should get rid of anything from Amazon Basics, because watch this. I went to unplug it and it just separated like this. It did separate that far the first time, but I didn't really notice it at first until it started to separate more like this. And now it's broken clean in two, and look at the wires to the high voltage prongs are exposed. And this has a tendency to happen while you're unplugging it, and it might come in half like this while it's still plugged into the wall. So, mind you, I do like to take things apart, but I don't really like things that spontaneously disassemble themselves and expose me to high voltages. And to add insult to injury, I sent 2 emails to a separate email address that Amazon actually has reserved just for product safety concerns, with pictures of the adapter. They never got back to me on either of those emails. So, yeah. I'm gonna say I'm not gonna buy anything else from Amazon Basics until and unless they get back to me on this. Now, the USB hub itself doesn't have any other brand names on it besides Amazon Basics. However, I do see something that says, I can look at the label on the adapter itself and see what it says. Let's see who made the adapter. It's made by Asian Power Devices, Inc. I should box up a feral cat in a box full of holes and then say, like, and then ship it to them in a box that says, "Friendly cat enclosed. Please give him a big hug." Make sure to pick the most angry, feral, unfriendly cat I can find. I've also got input 100 to 240, 50 or 60 hertz. But that's not all. Apparently, it is CE approved.
That was bullshit.
It has a logo that indicates that it's double insulated.
Bullshit detected. Take precautions.
It has, hilariously enough, a safety mark on it.
Bullshit level DEFCON 5.
And it even claims to be UL listed.
Oh, come on now. That ain't even bullshit. That's horse shit.
And it says don't throw it away.
Warning, warning, bullshit alert.
Has a picture of a house there. Is that, like, supposed to be, like, your worst enemy's house so that, like, you can, like, give it to him as a secret death trap or something? This is just ridiculous. It just comes in half. Like, I unplugged it like 3 or 4 times throughout its whole life, and I didn't have it like in a hot garage where the glue could have softened or anything like that. And this wasn't like a phone charger that could have, like, been dropped or anything. And this thing was on my desk and the cord was behind it, so this thing's light enough that even if it was, like, at the front of your desk and the cord got tripped over, the whole thing would fall off your desk. So I would have known if someone had tripped over it or stepped on the cord, because the thing would be on the floor. But how could it be when it's behind the desk? It didn't immediately break completely in half. Given that, I had a little bit of a warning, but, I mean, had I not noticed that, it could have come completely off the wall like that. So anyway, let's see what Chef Excellence has to say about this power adapter.